Woocommerce and Kadence are a great combination, especially with the free theme. Kadence gives you tons of control and look over your product page. But if you want to employ the same kind of methods giants like Amazon and Walmart use, I have two plugins for you. So let's dive right in. The compare product plugin is very, very simple and easy to use. You can even make it look exactly how you like with the colors. And that setting will be over in the WooCommerce section. Compare colors. Now you control all the colors of the various sections and titles, buttons, all of that. You can even toggle this on, hit save, and that will actually get rid of all the data if you plan to remove the plugin at any point in time. And to actually create a compare section, we're just going to go to products. We're going to then pick a 3D printer, and you'll see a product comparison. Here, you will just add a product. And once you add one product, it will then start off with all the attributes of your current product. You can add other attributes. You add attributes and you can search for them. You can also choose where you like to put it. I always like before related because it's a little more useful. And let's go ahead and add a few more things. And there we go. We have all the 3D printers. We can even reorganize them to how we like. We can even say you just want to upsell them to better ones and not have the lower price one there. Just remove. Also, you can reorganize this however you like. Super simple to set up and well worth the effort. Because as you can see, if they like this one better and they have that much to spend, they know exactly what is there and they can just add it to the cart. So say update, view product. And there we have it. Super easy to set up and looks amazing. This is also very, very responsive friendly and just perfect. And now let's add the bundle section here. So we'll go back to edit product. And now if we scroll down further, you can see the automatic replenish, or sorry, the plugin automatically identified these through a co-occurring matrix that it runs every 24 hours to make sure that these products are the best possible fit. This is a dummy store, so as you can see, it has two printers. You wouldn't want that. So you can change it by hitting customize. We can search for product to put in here. If I could spell, we'll put filament and nozzles because those would all go together. You can rearrange it and hit update. And now view product. And now you have this awesome section here. You can set a global discount that will increase this. This savings is just this product that's on sale. So that's one way to make a bundle. Now we have a few other ways. Let's go to dashboard and then you'll see product bundler and we'll go to all bundles. As you can see, we have none created. Let's create one. We'll call it printer. We'll search for 3D printer and we'll choose this one. And then we'll choose filament. You can see you're also having some suggestions, all based off of that co-occurring matrix. Nozzle. And then on this one, this will actually show up for all these products. So this product and this product will all show this bundle. And now you can set a percentage or a fixed amount. So we'll do percentage. We'll do 20%. You can also set a start and end date. You can give it a category. You can set a priority, and if it's active or not. So once you hit save, We have this now there. So if we go to one of these products, you can see right here that we have a bigger discount than another one. So if they add this to the cart, you'll see the discount right there and the total. It all works without coupons or anything. You don't have to touch it. It's all taken care of for you. Now you can also set a discount for the AI assisted bundles, and you do that between the settings. You also can choose the colors, the border style, the button text, the add to cart redirect. So right now it will redirect to cart, to checkout, or stay on page. You can also choose where you'd like to have it located, before or after related products, and also you can use full site editing if that's your theme supports it. You can enable this, which will automatically suggest the products according to the co-occurring matrix on the products that have it. You can set a max amount of items you'd like to set for that, as well as enable global discount. So if you do this, and we do percentage, and we do 50% because we're feeling generous. And then we go back to the product that has now you can see that discount is even bigger than the one was there before when we first made it. As you can see, both these plugins are super simple and easy to set up, and will have a drastic change on your revenue using these ways that Amazon, Walmart, and many other companies use to sell products. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.